How to delete all of your Facebook posts at once. If I go to my profile, here you can see that Facebook does not give me any option to select and delete all of my Facebook applications, Facebook posts at once. But in this video, I'll tell you a way to select all of the posts at once and delete them all. Or even if you do not want to delete all of the posts, you'll be able to delete more than one post at once. For that purpose, you have to first of all go to your profile and scroll through this page and tap on settings and privacy and tap on settings again. After that, you have to scroll through this page more and keep scrolling until you find your activity section. Here, the first option in this list is activity log. So you have to tap onto it. And here you will see a list of all the things that you can see at once. From here you have to go with the very first option, which is public posts. You may see this option somewhere next in this list, but for me it is displaying number 1. So after going into public posts, you have to tap on this filter section available at the top left and tap on categories. Here you have to select your posts, photos and videos. After selecting that, go back and all of your posts, photos and videos will be displayed on one page. If you want to delete multiple posts, you have to just tap on this box button and they will be selected. And if you want to delete all of them, you have to simply tap on this all check mark and all of your posts will be selected. After that, simply tap on this trash button available under this page. And after deleting them, they will be moved to this trash folder. And if you want to delete them permanently, you have to go to this trash folder again and delete those posts from this trash folder too, and your Facebook posts will be permanently deleted from Facebook history. So that's how you delete all of your Facebook posts at once.